Hello folks, welcome back to my channel, the channel of the Italian Keto guy. If you're new in my channel, I have delight in turning traditional recipes into keto ones whenever it is possible. So today I can show you some keto buns. They're really soft. I made them with bamboo fiber. I made them with almond flour and psyllium husk and no eggs. I know that some of you do not like eggs into the bread, even though the eggs are a very important food, so to say, in the ketogenic lifestyle. I don't want to say the word diet. Anyway, let's jump straight to the recipe and I will show you how I made them. 200 grams of almond flour, the most used flour in keto lifestyle. 50 grams of psyllium husk, 2 pinches of salt or more if you like the bread saltier. And now the 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. Look at those lumps. You have to dissolve those lumps. Be careful. Keep stirring. If they are so stubborn that they keep popping up, you have to do it with your between your fingers. So be sure to destroy, to squeeze any lumps in the dry ingredients. Okay, the time to add the liquid ones. We start by adding 300 milliliter of warm water, and now we have to put the vinegar. So I'm going to show you 2 teaspoons, but you have to put 4 teaspoons, or if you prefer, 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Let's keep stirring. At first, the dough will be dry and sandy, but keep kneading the dough and you will see that it's ready when it becomes one and leaves the borders of the recipient clean, as you can see. When you see this, it's almost ready. So keep kneading for a while so to absorb all the water. Then form some buns or any other shape you like, and put into the oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour or 180 Celsius. And as usual now, the tasting. I have to say that I'm extremely satisfied. In the mouth you have the texture of the bread, so this softness. I'm really happy. They came out really well. I wanted to try without stuffing them with any ham or mayo, whatever. Just wanted to try them plain, and I have to say that they really resemble the texture of the bread. The taste is the psyllium husk, of course. You can't taste any almond flour inside, so don't worry. They are really nice, and of course we didn't put any egg. So I hope that you like them. If you like, please subscribe by smashing the subscribe red statement below. If you have any questions, please write them below. I will be more than welcome to reply to your questions, and you can freeze them, of course, and you can store them in a zip bag. Thank you so much. See you at the next recipe.